afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome sa ating last match ng Saturday matchup. It's between the Bicol University Lady Wolves and the Ateneo Golden Knights. So, aabangan natin dito ang bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Mag-recap tayo sa nangyaring game kanina, Kelly, sa ating first game. Anong masasabi mo doon sa naganap na ating game?
Well, with that 5 thrilling sets coming from, of course, the rival, it's the NCF versus the BU Wolves. Napakagandang laro ang pinakita. Lumamanga ng una ang BU pero tinapos po ng Tigre ang laban.
So yan, nagkaroon nga tayo ng 5th set kanina. Let's see ngayong sa second match natin kung magkakaroon ba ulit ng 5th set dito. Will the Ateneo Golden Knights get their first win here sa ating Bucal Season 5 or will the BU Lady Wolves continue their winning streak?
That's true, Rick. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagtutok dito sa ating live streaming, and we are still live here at the NCF Covered Court. It is the battle between the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the BU Wolves. Ako nga po pala si Kelly Francisco at kasama ko ngayon si Rick Puerta. Magandang hapon po.
Ayan, aabangan nga tayo, Kelly, dito sa ating Facebook page ng Oragon Sports TV ng Bucal Facebook page. So comment down below para ma-shoutout namin kayo maya-maya.
Okay, Rick, let's talk about now Team BU on their last game. Their 2 consecutive wins. Kanina nga nakausap ko yung coach ng BU, and ang gusto niya lang talagang ipagawa sa players niya is to think positive inside the court. Because, you know, kahit na ano mangyari, kahit lamang yung kalaban or kahit down sila or whatsoever, think positive lang. Kasi sabi niya, yung Wolves daw, kapag isa lang, basically Wolf siya, so kapag marami sila Wolves, mas malakas sila. So ayun, mas maganda daw kapag think positive lang sa loob ng court.
Yan, at para mapagkinggan naman natin ang preparations on the side of the Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter, Angel. Hi, Angel. Anong update dyan?
That's Bonham, Kelly, and Rick. We are now once again back live here at the NCF Covered Court for the second game of the Lady Knights for this season. It is also our third week of Volleyball Season 5. And I know that you guys are as excited as I am to report for my school once again and to show the BU Lady Wolves what we got on our pocket. So watch us live here at Bucal, Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. As the Lady Knights lost from the Lady Tigers last game, they are still optimistic to get a win for this game, and according to the players, they ensured to improve their rotation and highly focus on their attacking skills. Are you guys ready to absorb the thrill? Because I am. This is Angel Bantog to Plano, all the way from the bench of the team that leads Golden Blue, Ateneo Lady Golden Knights. Primum Regnum Dei. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Angel, for that update. So yun nga, in-improve daw nila this time ang kanilang attacks kasi on that previous match between the Lady Tigers, talagang kinulang doon ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And syempre ang kanilang rotation, let's see kung may bago bang game plan dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights. Aabangan natin yan dito sa ating larong ito.
That's true, Rick. Kanina nga when I talked to their coach, talagang they adjusted when it comes, they trained when it comes to the rotation, they practice on it kasi alam nila they are lacking on it. But now, let's hear an update on the side of BU. Eliza, take it away.
Hi, Rick and Kelly. It's so nice to be with you both as you're now on the third week of the Volleyball Season 5 men's and women's volleyball. Last week, the Wolves were able to keep their record clean as they swept their games with sure victories. Today, they are here once again to defend their record and continue the feat they started this season. For today's game, the Lady Wolves are more than ready to devour the Lady Knights once and for all with new tactics and plays to show. This is Ali reporting on the side of the Bicol University Wolves, only here on Bucal Season 5-1. Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
you can see how dedicated these players are. Talagang kahit na dito na actually they are stay in here at the NCF for their games and talagang binubus nila yung alam mo yung lahat para lang maipanalo ang bawat laro.
Yes, and a little bit of pressure on their side because on that previous season of Bucal, nabanggit nga natin dito na ang BU Wolves is ranked as the first runner-up. So talagang yun ang kanilang i-maintain dito. And dito sa ligang ito, ang gusto naman nilang makuha this time is yung pagkapanalo or the champion dito sa ating Bucal Season 5.
Well, Rick, it's no doubt and I think lahat ng teams, even the Ateneo Golden Knights, talagang magpapakita ng magandang laro dito, gagawin ng lahat to, of course, to gain a point, to convert the points with their plays.
Yan talagang aabangan natin dito, kaya tutok lamang kayo sa ating laro. Again, this is a matchup between the BU Lady Wolves and the Ateneo Golden Knights.
And now we are seeing these players on the huddle before the start of the game. At ngayon nga, naghahanda na for this matchup. Actually, this is the last game for today's matchup. So, kani-kanina nga, ladies and gentlemen, napanood natin yung 5 chilling sets and abangan natin ngayon if magkakaroon din ba ng magandang laro o magandang ibibigay na laro ang parehong kupunan.
Yan, Kylie, kanina nga nagkaroon tayo ng technical difficulty on the latter part ng ating first game na umabot nga tayo sa 5th set. And for the information of all, ang nanalo po doon sa last game natin is the NCF Tigers. Sila ang nakakuha ng panalo against the BU Wolves rather. So sa mga hindi po nakapanood because of that interruption, yun po, NCF po ang nanalo kanina. Thank you so much po.
Yes, Rick. And to give an information for everyone, yun na nga po, nagkaroon ng technicalities kanina. So but still maraming salamat pa rin po sa patuloy na pagtutok. Na ngayon ay we are live back now. At syempre, abangan lang po natin at mag-comment po kayo sa mga nanonood po ngayon para po may shoutout namin kayo dyan. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.
Ayan, Kelly, pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Elite Sportswear, Bigs, Havaianas, and Aricus. Thank you so much po for your support.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sponsors for this season. Syempre, of course, ang Naga College Foundation at ang lahat ng sponsors na nagbibigay buhay sa ating Bukalan. Ayan, meron tayo ngayon. We would like to thank the sponsor, the Liman Meat Shop, the Tigers Cafe, the Nagayon, the Wings to Lemon Residences, and of course sa lahat ng teams na sumali dito sa Bucal Season 5.
Yes, and this live is powered by Converge Fiber. So thank you so much po.
And thank you so much, Willprint, for the quality printing excellent service.
Ayan, in a few minutes, magsisimula na nga ang bakbakan between these two teams. So, aabangan natin yan. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are now live back here at the NCF Covered Court at nagsisimula na po ang first set. And with that sequence, puntos ng BU Wolves with that service error.
So, unang libreng puntos ay mapupunta sa Wolves because of that unforced error committed by the Golden Knights na dapat ditong bawasan ng kanilang kupunan.
Now chance.
So, miscommunication pero nagawan dito ng paraan ng BU. The ball is on the side of the Golden Knights. Another free ball. Nunez Valderrama setting up in the middle.
Wow. That's a good attack there coming from Ramirez with that quick and of course with the help of the net.
Yes.
Pumuntos ang BU dito. A service error coming from Valderrama.
So we have to commend Valderrama dito sa side ng BU Wolves because on that previous season of Bucal, siya ang hinirang na best setter. So talagang ang ganda ng ball distribution niya at namamaximize niya ang kanyang mga utility and open spikers.
She's really a good setter, a playmaker talaga. Kaya naman, she really deserves that spot. At with that sequence, puntos ng BU Wolves.
So a strong start for the Lady Wolves here. The Ateneo should catch up para mahabol dito ang lamang na dalawa ng ating BU Wolves. Now Ramirez on the deck to serve.
A miscue there, nag-agawa ng bola. A service ace coming from Ramirez. This tall player, as of the moment, siya lang yung nakikita kong matangkad na players dito sa side ng BU. Well, on the side of the Ateneo, walang masyadong, alam mo yun, sobrang taas. Pero their elevation talagang makikita mo mamaya. Another good serve.
Another free ball. So chance again dito ng Lady Wolf to score. Pero medyo napalakas ang palo.
Ac-
The last play.
Actually, magandang combination play sana yon. Lahat ng attackers dito sa BU Wolves ay nag-approach but still napalakas yung palo. Puntos for the Ateneo. Good serve. An easy ball. Valderrama. Open. Hulog. Point for the BU. Puntos para kay Zoilo.
Bellard. Now, jersey number 3, Zoilo. Serving the ball on the side of the Wolves.
A service out. Palitan lamang ng puntos dito ng dalawang kupunan with that error.
So yun nga nabanggit ko kanina, they need to minimize their error if they want to finish this set number 1 strong.
And given, Rick, that, alam mo naman, bilog ang bola, we cannot predict.
Yes.
So, they need to assure that even they are strong than the other opponent, syempre. And with that wise attack, puntos for the BU Wolves.
Yes, Belardo talagang using her mind para makita ang donut hole on the side of the Ateneo. It's not about the strong attacks. It's about the mind and the volleyball IQ inside the court na talaga namang dapat ditong gamitan ng ating mga players.
With that sequence, another service error coming from the BUs. Actually, kanina ko pa napapansin dito yung error.
Yes.
Kakasimula pa lang po ng laro, pero marami ng error agad yung BU dito. And let's see if they can minimize their errors. And now, on the service line, jersey number 9, it's Fortaleza. Good attack.
So puntos para kay Rojas. On that previous game against UNC, talagang Rojas played an excellent play inside the volleyball court. Siya nga ang hinirang na best player of the game that 5th set because nakita natin dito kahit small but terrible player of the BU Wolves.
Yes, Rick, and her elevation is really just a superb. Kahit hindi talaga katangkaran tong batang to, kapag tumalo na, talagang napakaganda ng bigay ng bola. And now on the service line, it's jersey number 7. Jersey number 1, sorry.
Now chance for the Ateneo to have a score. But an error was committed by D on that last play. Again, errors didn't help the Ateneo Golden Knights to have a score at binibigyan lang nila dito ng kumpiyansa ang B-Wolves na tapusan ang set number 1 na ito. So, napatawag nga ng timeout ang Ateneo Golden Knights. They need to regroup and they need to have a strong connection inside the court because yun ang nawawala sa kanila ngayon. Nagkakaroon ng miscommunication at ang miscommunication leads into unforced error.
That's true, Rick. And they need a very effective communication inside the court. Their positioning, yung pre-practice daw nila, sabi ng coach nila, so they need to apply it inside the court or our game para at least makaabante tayo dito. At lamang po ng 5 ang BU dito.
Now, magiging maganda ba ang timeout na yun ng coach ng Ateneo? Let's see kung ano ba ang sinabi niya sa kanyang players.
She's still on the service line. A service ace for BU.
Branadillos. Again, kanina pa si Branadillos on that service line. The Ateneo needs to have a good floor reception para magkaroon ng magandang play ang kanilang setter.
Another poor reception there. The open. Good dig. Ayun, on the back. Good cover. Adjust. Miscue. An error for the BU Wolves. Puntos for the Ateneo. Nagkalituhan doon yung players ng BU. Hindi alam kung sino ang kukuha, sino magsiset. And with that hit, error, puntos for the Ateneo. Good serve. Easy ball, Valderrama, 1-2 play! Puntos for the Bicol University.
Another smart move coming from the players of BU.
Now Rojas on the service line.
Nice reception.
Block.
Ball is still alive. Rojas. Now Valderrama. And running attack coming from Ramirez. And it was successfully done.
With that spin, kahit hindi ganun kalakas yung palo, but still dumulas sa kamay ng Ateneo. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves. Now she's still on the service line, Rojas. Another good serve.
Nice
Open. But it goes straight down to the net. Puntos for BU.
Again, Ateneo Golden Knights need to lessen their error because BU Wolves is slowly pulling away para dito sa ating set number 1. Another broken play para sa Ateneo. Chance for the Wolves to score. Valderrama setting up in the middle. Zoilo, and Zoilo delivers.
With that hit in the middle by Zoilo, nalito yung blockers doon ng Ateneo. She's still on the service line. Good serve. Now a chance once again. Rojas. Ramirez with that free ball. Ngayon, on the back. Another good ball. Zoilo once again with that hulog. Kanina niya pa tinatarget doon yung side na yon dahil wala talagang bantay. Kaya noon mabilis makonvert ang puntos for the BU Wolves. Lamang na po ng 10 ang BU ngayon, and Rojas is still serving. Now taking her time. A good serve. Another poor reception. Because open. Valderrama to Zoilo. Good dig there. Now a chance. Valderrama in the middle. Another chance ball. Ramirez approaching, going to Zoilo with that hulog once again. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves.
Favorite spot ni Zoilo, ang hulugan doon sa pwestong yon. Zone 2, talagang libreng-libre at kitang-kita ang butas on the side of Ateneo. So if you are on the side of Ateneo, bantayan mo na ang place na yun kasi Zoilo, again, maximizing and using her valuable IQ. But this time, Valderrama, hindi dito magiging successful ang kanyang 1-2 play. So a lucky break para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights.
Good serve by Fortaleza.
Valderrama. And Ramirez again. Magkakaroon ng puntos.
Now the team captain is serving. I mean the setter is now serving for the VU Wolves. And now time out for the Ateneo Golden Knight.
So yun nga, Kelly, what is your observation para dito sa ating set number 1? Because nakikita natin sa ating scoreboard, talagang abante dito ang ating BU Wolves. Ano kaya ang pwedeng gawin dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights to chase and cut the lead para dito sa set number 1?
Well, actually, on the side of the Ateneo, they need to strengthen their reception. Lalong-lalo na yung error nila when it comes to receive, when digging, talagang they need this defense para at least may abante nila yung puntos dito. And let's see with that timeout if they can cut the blade.
Yes, nakikita nga natin dito na talagang kargado ang service ng BU Wolves. So, the Ateneo Golden Knights is nahihirapan ditong magkaroon ng stable floor defense. Dahil pag nagkaroon ka ng stable floor defense and ma-deliver ito sa setter ng maayos, it will definitely have a score on your side because yun nga, dapat maganda dito ang kanilang pass sa kanilang setter para magamit dito ang kanilang attackers. Now, let's see kung gagawin ba yan dito ng Golden Knights. Another heavy serve para dito sa Wolves.
A long spike there coming from the Ateneo.
Again, Valderrama on the deck to serve. Ball is still alive. Rojas setting up
An
her
error.
teammate, pero error doon. Net violation was called on her teammate.
Now on the service line, it's jersey number 11, D. Ramirez, good dig there by D. Ngayon, gagawa ng paraan. A chance. Valderrama with the first ball. Zoilo once again. Good cover there. A miscue. Naibawi. Valderrama in the middle for Ramirez. Another hulog for the BU ball.
You know what, Kelly? Hindi dito nagbibigay or nagpapakawala ng malalakas na atake ang BU Wolves. Talagang sinisibat lang nila kung asan ang butas on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
That's volleyball IQ inside. Actually, di mo naman talaga kailangan pahirapan yung sarili mo. Kapag alam mong may butas na, go for it. Ihulog mo na dyan and it will convert the point. And now, Valderrama to Zoilo with that top spin coming from Zoilo. She converted another point. Puntos for the Bicol University Wolves.
Now, BU Wolves stepping on the 20-point mark, 4 points away on getting this set number 1. Let's see, para dito sa serve ni Ramirez. Another free ball. Rojas setting up Zoilo one more time, but this time,
It's a long
too
spike.
strong.
Ngayon, papasok si Corias at papalitan si Zoilo dito.
Unfamiliar faces on the side of the BU Wolves.
Ibinalik lamang ang puntos with that service error coming from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now serving, kakapasok pa lang. And with that error, palitan lamang ng puntos ang parehong kupunan. And now on the line of the Ateneo, it's jersey number 17.
The Ateneo Golden Knights needs to build the momentum para sa pagpasok ng ating set number 2. Talagang dadali nila ang momentum na yon. But this time, it seems like BU is very comfortable with their lead. Talagang nag-enjoy na lang sila inside the court. And talagang tatapusin na nila ang set number 1 na to.
With the same spot, doon ulit binagay yung bola. Walang masyadong bantay at nagkahiyaan actually kung sinong kukuha. Kaya naman puntos for the BU Wolves. And now on the service line, it's jersey number 12. A service ace for Bigueras.
So BU Wolves is on the set point right now. 1 point away. Makukuha na nila ang set number 1 na to. Bigueras again on the deck to serve. Another strong serve and a great serve. Chance for the Wolves here to end this set number 1. Now Balderrama setting up Rojas and tatapusin na to ng net violation ng Ateneo Golden Knights. 25-9 sa ating talaan.
Yan po, nagtatapos ang ating first set at mabalik po tayo for our second set dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Thumbs up.
And ayan, nagbabalik tayo dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court for our second set. Nakuha nga ng ating BU Lady Wolves ang unang set. Will the BU Wolves continue to win this set number 2 or will the Ateneo Golden Knights snatch their set number 2 sa ating liga nga to? So yun nga, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Aljan Adayo, Rowie May Gonzalez, Joyce Gonzalez, Charlene Gonzalez. Happy watching po.
ngayon, we are now on the second set and let's see if babawi ba dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights.
So yan nga, hawak ko ngayon ng set 1 statistics. Nakuha nga dito ang atake ng Team BU, 14 attacks kontra 0 ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And when it comes to the opponent error, although mataas dito ang error ng ating BU Wolves, na-convert naman nila ang kanilang attacks into points. So yun, ang kailangan nitong i-enhance ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And to hear an update on the side of Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter, Angel. Hi Angel, anong balita dyan?
Greg and Kelly head first to the first set. We have clearly recognized that the team has been lacking communication, resulting for a lot of errors. And as we dive to the second set, I heard the coaches murmuring na ilaro nyo ng maayos. Furthermore, the coaches are expecting for the players to be more attentive and uncomplacent, highlighting that their opponent is a tough one. As the players huddle, it is predominantly obvious that they are still hoping to steal the momentum for the second set. That's the update. I will be back on Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Well, for that update, so yun nga, Ateneo Golden Knights need to build their momentum here sa ating set number 2. Yun nga, a great start para sa Ateneo Golden Knights, 2-0 sa ating talaan. And to hear an update sa side naman ng ating Lady Wolves, let's call our courtside reporter, Ali. Hi Ali, anong update dyan?
On the second set of the game and during the previous set, the Lady Wolves were able to showcase their devouring spirit and left a gap for the Lady Knights to learn from. During the huddle, their head coach reminded them to play their best and to neglect any negativity. Sa larong ito, importanteng paganahin ang utak, work and make sure to keep your record clean, communicate and enjoy the game. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Rick and Kelly.
As you have said earlier nga, Rick, that communication is really important inside the court. And yun nga sabi ng coach na napaganay ng utak even though they have the advantage right now, but still gagawin pa rin nila yung best to win this second set. And with that sequence, it's inside with that down the line hit coming from the BU Wolves. Puntos. Unang puntos actually ng BU dito.
So yun, nakikita natin dito on our second set na abante ang Ateneo. They need to be consistent and not to be complacent sa ating laro kasi we know the capabilities of the BU Wolves here. Now, chance for the Wolves si Regalo pero andon ang libero ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Ayan, miscommunication ang nangyari on the side of Golden Knights. That's why puntos ay mapupunta sa Wolves.
Now on the service line for BU, it's Ramirez. Taking your time. Okay, good serve.
Chance for the Golden Knights here to score. Now Rojas plays the setter role here sa ating second set. Linabas dito si Valderrama. But still, maganda pa rin dito ang pinakalabasan ng plays ng BU Wolves.
You can see how versatile these players are. Kahit saan mo sila ilagay, talagang they can help the team. Si Rojas kanina lamang siya is open spiker and now on the second set, ginawa siyang setter ni coach. Pinagpahinga muna si Valderrama ngayon. Now on the service deck, it's Ramirez.
Ball is
Over
still
there. Now a chance for Ateneo. Set in the middle. Good.
Granadillos setting up Zoilo. Ball is still alive. Nice rally for both teams. Now Rojas setting up Granadillos in the middle. And she will score.
A good play there by Rojas.
We can see the variation of sets on the sides of the BU Wolves. Talagang activated dito ang lahat ng attackers. Now Ramirez on the deck to serve.
Good ball. Ito ng paraan, hulog. Now Ramirez, ibibigay kay Zoilo. Zoilo with that adjust. A strong hit. Puntos for the Ateneo.
So we are all tied up at 4. Great start for both teams. Ayaw magpauli ng dalawang kopra na ito. Now, D on the deck to serve para sa Ateneo.
Good serve. Easy ball for BU. Good combination play. Ayun. Hulog. Good cover there. Gawin na paraan. Good cover.
Rally continues between this both team.
The ball is still alive. Zoilo with a chance. Nagkakalituhan. Ayun. Tongko to the back. Good dig once again for the Ateneo. A long rally right now. Chance for Bio. Tongko. Rojas. Good dig. Pero puntos with that good block coming from the Ateneo. Lamang na po ng isa ang Ateneo dito.
Yan, so the Ateneo really adjust when it comes to their defense. As you can see on that last sequence, access denied para sa ating BU Wolves. Now, D on the deck to serve again para dito sa Ateneo. Rojas to Branadillos, pero yun nga, Branadillos hindi talaga dito napipigilan on the side of the BU Wolves. We are all tied up at 5.
Now, jersey number 3, Billard is serving.
Great serve.
It's Zolio, sorry. Zolio serving.
Again, Zoilo. Rojas will give a free ball. Chance for the Wolves here to have a score. Ateneo on the attack. Nice coverage. Rally continues. Chance for the Wolves here to have a score.
Napakagandang depensa ang pinapakita dito ng Ateneo. At ngayon, Ross ibibigay sa likod. And it goes straight down to the net for Branadillos. Puntos for the Ateneo Golden Knights.
So marami-raming deadlock for this second set. So both teams really working hard para makakuha ng abante dito sa ating set number 2.
That good serve. On the back. Wow, kahit nasa likod na si Zoilo, she can still give a point for her team with that back row attack. And puntos for the Bicol University Wolves. On the service line for the BU, it's jersey number 13. A service out. At ngayon naman, sa side ng Ateneo, Santilices serving. Good serve, almost an out. Good dig there.
Rojas setting up her spiker. Nice coverage. Another long rally here sa ating larong ito.
Puntos para kay Belardo. With that hulog, nagkahiyaan na naman once again on the side for the Ateneo kung sino ang kukuha ng bola. Puntos for the BU Wolves. Now serving, it's Branadillos.
Chance for the Ateneo here to have a score. Zoilo is there.
Sayang. Yung top spin na yon galing kay Belardo, hindi umabot. Actually, it's a good idea na with that soft touch. But still, medyo sobrang nahinaan lang yung palo kaya pumuntos dito ang Ateneo. Good serve. In the middle. Good cover there. And now a chance. Tongko. Rojas. To Belardo. puntos for the Bicol University.
Pinabawi si Belardo on that last sequence para sa BU Wolves na 1-point lead. Hawak ngayon ng BU Wolves. Belardo on the deck to serve.
Good serve.
Now Ateneo on the attack.
Habol. Now a chance for the Ateneo. Good cover there. Good pass by Fortaleza. Ngayon Rojas to Zoilo. Another error from Bicol University Wolves. Puntos for the Ateneo Golden Knights. As what I observe right now, lumalaki na yung unforced error dito when it comes to attacks ng Bicol University. Kaya madaling nakakakuha ng puntos ang Ateneo dito. Now the team captain serving.
And the Ateneo needs to have a strong defense kasi nakikita natin nahihirapan sa atake dito ang BU Wolves. So they need to take advantage on that. Pero on that last play nga, another error was committed by the player of Ateneo. Now, rally continues between these two teams. And D with a score. We are outside up again at 10.
And now on the side of the Ateneo, on the service deck, it's jersey number 19, Fortaleza. Good serve, almost a service ace, now a chance. Fortaleza with the set. A strong hit for jersey number 12. It's Renton for the Ateneo.
So both teams throwing away points on their opponent na talagang dapat nila ditong iwasan. That's why paragi tayo nagkakaroon ng deadlock because of their errors. Now let's see kung mababawasan yan this time. Chance for the Wolves here to attack. Good combination play but poor execution on the side of the BU Wolves. Sayang, nadala sana nila yung blocker dito ng Ateneo, but again, straight to the net attack coming from the player of this Lady Wolves.
Now serving, it's D for the Ateneo.
Rojas.
Ball there.
To Zoilo.
Another good combination. D bibigay ngayon. A chance. Tongko with the receive. Rojas in the middle. Good block there. Ngayon, chance for the Ateneo. It's inside. A long hit for the Ateneo. It's Renton with that spike. Lamang na po ng isa ang Ateneo dito. And let's see if they can be consistent in terms of that in defense and even in the attacking. And now still on the service deck, it's jersey number 11, D.
This is the Ateneo Lady Knights na gusto nating makita. Another points coming from their team and courtesy of that service is coming from D. So yun nga, nakikita na natin dito na kaya talaga dito ng Ateneo. Talagang kailangan lang nila ng good connection inside the court to have a good delivery and to convert the score.
True, Rick. Lahat naman talaga posible if you will work hard for it. At ngayon nakikita natin yun sa side ng Ateneo. And a good dig there by D. Ngayon, Rojas. To Zoilo.
Na-late ang blocker ng Ateneo from that last sequence. That's why Zoilo, libreng-libre. You cannot
predict what she will do inside the court talaga, Rick. Siyempre, with that sequence, hindi mo talaga mahuhulaan kung anong gagawin niya. If that will be a strong hit or not. Pero ngayon, wow! A lucky point for the Ateneo. And with the help of the net, puntos for the Ateneo. Lamang na po ng dalawa. Ateneo dito.
Again, nice set number 2 para sa Ateneo. No room for error para sa kupunan na ito. No, Rojas. Setting up Belardo.
Another good dig.
Free ball para sa Ateneo. Chance to have a score again.
A back row hit. Good dig once again. Ross in the middle. A long ball. Ayon, sa side ng BU. Good dig once again for Fortaleza. Now Rojas. Tongko. To Belardo. And point for the BU Wolves.
What a nice long rally para sa dalawang koponan na ito. And matatapos ang long rally na yon coming from that off-the-block hit sa ating BU Wolves courtesy of Belardo. Now, chance for the Ateneo Golden Knights to score, but an error was committed by their player. That's why we are all tied up at 14.
Of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the Ateneo Father President that is watched live here at the venue, rallying behind the Ateneo Golden Knights that is putting up a good fight right now. And of course, the Ateneo community watching through Rapid Sports TV and One Media TV 48 Naga livestream. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagtutok dito. As you can see, full support nga dito yung Father President ng Ateneo.
And of course, nakikita nga natin dito ang cavalry na talagang grabe ang suporta sa kanilang kupunan. Now, chance for the Ateneo to score. Nunez setting up Belardo, pero Belardo magbibigay ng free ball. Fortaleza setting up in the middle. Ball is still alive. Great hustle on the side of Wolves. Another chance ball para sa Ateneo, but this time, Bronquillo makakakuha ng kill para sa ating Ateneo.
A facial hit there coming from Ateneo in the middle. Pumuntos dito. Nadig, nabawian, pero binawi pa rin ng Ateneo, kaya puntos. Good receive by Tongko. A block, but still point for the BU with that hit. Napakalakas na palo from Belardo. And now on the service deck, it's Branadillos. And it goes straight down to the net. Puntos for the BU Wolves. As you can see, they are now struggling once again yung Ateneo dito when it comes to the reception. Kaya hindi masyadong maayos yung plays na ibinibigay dito. And with that, almost a service ace. Ngayon, D with that free ball. Rojas. To Belardo. Good dig there.
Another rally here. Belardo one more time. Andon si D. Chance for the Wolves here to score. Rojas setting up Ramirez, pero Ramirez too strong coming from that hit, so the point will go on the side of the Golden Knights.
Maganda ang pinapakitang digging dito ng Ateneo. At nakikita ko nga dito that full support coming from the president of the Ateneo. Maraming salamat po. Now she's serving jersey number 9. A strong serve. Libreng puntos for the BU Wolves. Yun nga, Rick, of course, on the side of Ateneo, they need to be consistent when it comes to serving. Even on the serve, talagang kargado dapat yung bola kasi lumalaban naman. Now, Fortaleza. But with hit coming from D.
Iwasan lamang dito ng Ateneo ang kanilang error. Sunod-sunod nga ang kanilang nagawang error dito. That's why BU Wolves abante na dito sa ating set number 2.
Another good serve. Fortaleza, ibibigay kay D. Good cover there. Zoilo. Another good dig. Coming from Ateneo, D. With that long. Kinuha yung palo sa ilalim. Time out for the Ateneo, and let's see if they can cut the bleed. Lamang po ng 4 dito ang Bicol University Wolves. At ngayon naman, Rick, what do you really observe in terms of the reception of the Ateneo? Ano ba ang mga kailangan nilang gawin para at least mapunan yung puntos na nawala sa kanila kanina?
This time, their floor defense was spectacular. Nakukulangan sila dito on their offense na talaga namang tinetake advantage ng BU Wolves. Kailangan ditong pumalo at magporsyento ng Ateneo Golden Knights if they want to chase that 4-point lead ng ating Bicol University Wolves, kasi nabanggit ko nga kanina ang BU Wolves, we know them, kaya nilang bawian at baliktad din ang larong ito. Let's see para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights kung magiging consistent sila when it comes to their play.
We are now back after the timeout. Now serving, it's Belardo. Good ball. Now D. With that soft touch. Rojas. Tuzoilo adjust. Hulog. Good cover by D. Fortaleza ibibigay ngayon. A chance for BU. Rojas for the running attack. Miscue. Pero puntos pa din. Medyo napalakas doon yung bigay ni Rojas. Kaya di masyadong maganda yung execution doon, but still a point for the Bicol University. Still on the service line, Belardo. A poor reception once again. D with that free ball. Ngayon, gawa ng paraan. Rojas.
What a great 1-2 play para dito kay Rojas. That's why the BU Wolves at 3 points away on getting the set number 2.
Belardo is still on the service deck. Taking her time. And now, a good serve. Fortaleza would want to play. Medyo mataas in the middle. Medyo napalakas doon yung palo ni Ramirez. Actually, halata na talaga na magiging mataas yung palo niya kasi hindi siya ready.
Nakikita natin.
Anticipate yung bola
Yes.
binigay sa kanya ni Rojas.
An exchange of points, an exchange of errors para sa both teams na ito. Now Rojas setting up her teammate. At Montales makakakuha ng score sa kanyang pagpasok dito sa ating set number 2 ito.
Na Rojas on the service line. Now, tinawagan ngayon ng lifting violation kasi nirelease na yung bola pero parang may hindi pagkakaintindihan inside the court. Kaya puntos dito ng Ateneo. It's actually a free point. And the coach of Ateneo is clarifying something. Pero tuloy po ang laban with Fortaleza on the service line. A good serve. Tongko with it receive. Rojas. Wow! A point coming from Go. Napakatangkad ng batang to.
Yan, sabi nga nila, if you have the hammer, you put it down.
Correct.
And yun ang ginawa doon. And that last play ni Go,
And if you have the chance to make it to a point, go for it. Kaya naman, now, for the set point. A good serve. Fortaleza. Now a chance. Ross with that first receive. Belardo, ibibigay dito. A late call. A late call for the referees. Puntos dito ng Ateneo Golden Knight and medyo
yes, kanina nakita natin on our side, this arguing on our second referee because of that delay calls. Pero the point will be rewarded on their side. One set point save para sa Ateneo. 2 set point save para dito sa Golden Knights.
Medyo mainit na ngayon ang laban. 4 na lamang ang hahabulin. Hindi pa tapos ang set na to. And let's see if the Ateneo can extend this set or tatapusin na ba ng Bicol University. Now on the service line, it's jersey number 11, D.
Another great serve. Branadillos. Nakuha doon ang Ateneo.
Now a chance. Tongko with that receive. Rojas in the middle. Branadillos, good block. Now for the Ateneo. Good dig. Rojas on the opposite. Good dig for the Ateneo once again. Nagkabanggaan. Ngayon, with the help of the net, puntos for the Ateneo Golden Knights.
3 straight points para sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Hindi nila binibitawan ang set number 2 na to. And the game is not yet over para sa kanilang Kupananaw Go. Kailangan dito ng magandang serve.
Almost a service ace actually for the Ateneo. Humahabol po dito. Umiinit na si D sa laban na ito. And now she's really eager na habulin or to extend this set. She's serving once again. Another good serve. Tongko with the receive. Ross in the middle. Branadillo with that end. At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating second set. Ano babalik po tayo sa ating third set. Dito lamang yan sa Oragon Sport TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
here sa loob ng ating venue, the NCF Covered Court, para sa ating third set. So, 2 sets nakuha nga dito ng ating BU Wolves. Let's see para sa Ateneo Golden Knights kung kukunin ba nila ang third set na ito. Nakita naman natin ang kanilang effort kanina na talaga namang lumaban sila. Nakulangan lang sila dito ng konting push para makuha at manakaw ang set number 2 na yon. But on that last play, first point mapupunta sa BU Wolves. Valderrama is back on court at makakakuha ng service ace para sa kanyang kupunan. 2 straight points will go on the side of BU Wolves. What will the Ateneo Golden Knights do para makahingi ng update sa side ng Golden Knights? Let's call our courtside reporter, Angel. Hi, Angel. Take it away.
And Kelly, it was indeed a close fight, but we...
Ayan, babalikan nga natin mamaya si Angel for her update. Valderrama, 1-2 play. At makakakuha ulit siya ng puntos.
A good play there coming from Valderrama.
So, dyan sa 3 points na yan, ang 2 puntos ay si Valderrama ang nakagawa. A nice caliber player of this BU Wolves. Again, Valderrama on the deck to serve. At yan, babalikan na nga natin dito ngayon si Angel for her update. Hi Angel, anong balita dyan?
Again, Rick and Kelly, that was a close fight, but we shall move on to the third set of the play. We can observe the improvements of the team in their communication. However, they are still having a hard time to take the power of the Lady Wolves all at once. They should lessen their attacking errors and receiving errors to increase the opportunity of them getting the Huwag sobrahan ang pasiguro, but the vigorous question is, will they get the momentum this set? Only here at the Bagong Sports TV, Liga ng mga Vaccine the time.
Maraming salamat, Angel, with that update. Of course, with that last 2 sets na nakikita natin ngayon, they are lacking in terms of reception. Kaya naman, they are aiming right now on the third set if makukuha ba nila ang set na ito.
Ayan, nakikita nga natin dito sa loob ng court. Kanina pa ito si Valderrama. But this time, service error for her. So, first point ng Ateneo, courtesy of that service error.
Right now, let's hear an update muna on the side of the BU Wolves. Eliza, take it away.
Well, thank you, Rick and Kelly. We are now on the third set of this matchup, and the Wolves are now eager to make this the last and deciding set of the game. Despite the neck-to-neck battle of these 2 teams during the previous set, the Lady Wolves were still able to get the win and hold their advantage. During the huddle, the coaches emphasized that it is important to play your own game and do not dive into the energy of your opponent. They were also reminded to not get complacent and to work and play your best. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Rick and Kelly.
And thank you so much, Eliza, for that update. So, ang sabi ni Coach dito, don't be complacent. Laruin lang nila ang kanilang laro inside the court para makuha nila ang tinatamasa nilang panalo dito. Andyan nga ang ginagawa dito ng players ng ating Wolves. Reka Franca makakakuha ng point coming from that off-the-block hit. Another chance ball para sa Wolves. Valderrama setting up Reka Franca, pero the ball is still alive.
And it goes straight down to the net. Ganda ang pinapakitang plays dito ni Valderrama. Kaya naman it's easy for them to convert a point. Now serving jersey number 5. Now a chance. Good there. Gandang bantay. Nagawa ng paraan ni Zoilo. Once again. Another serve for the Bicol University. Jersey number 5. Good receive. Adjust. Dig once again. Valderrama to Zoilo. Good dig coming from D. Pero hindi nagawa ng paraan doon. Puntos dito ng Bicol University Wall.
And a timeout was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights because mayroon na ditong 8 points na kalamangan ng ating BU Wolves. What will the Ateneo do? Mukhang nawala dito yung kanilang momentum on that second set. Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga viewers. Shoutout kay Kayla May Casulya at kay Karen K.Escaro na laging nakatutok sa atin sa ating mga live stream media. Thank you so much for and happy viewing.
And syempre, binabati ko rin po ang mga nanonood sa ating live stream, si Kia Villanueva, Chin de la Cruz, Roxy Paradela, at Kion Bruzola. Maraming salamat sa panonood dito sa ating live stream. Now, after that timeout, let's see if they can cut the bleed na ginagawa dito ng Bicol University. And now, she's serving. Para service out. Yun nga, tinapos na. Momentum doon ng Bicol University. And now on the side of the Ateneo, it's jersey number 12, serving. Valderrama. To Rica Franca, but it's an error. Napalakas yung palo doon sa opposite na Rica Franca, kaya puntos for the Ateneo. Still on the service deck. Good receive by Tonko. Valderrama to Zoilo. Good dig. Regalo for Zoilo. Puntos for the BU Wolves.
Another great point para dito sa Lady Wolves. Now, Zoilo on the deck to serve para sa Wolves. Nice serve para dito. That's why chance ball para sa Wolves. Branadillos. Ball is still alive. Another chance para dito sa Wolves. One hand set. And Branadillos gagawa ng paraan. Last play.
Gandang ipinakitang play doon kahit na medyo alanganin yung bola sa net. Nagawan pa ng paraan ng setter dito ng BU Wolves. Kaya puntos for Branadillos. Napakagaling na setter na si Valderrama. At ngayon serving, it's Zoilo. Now a chance. Valderrama, the open spike. Good dig once again. Valderrama once again. Good cover there. A chance. Zoilo will receive. Valderrama. Combination play. Now Fortaleza ibibigay dito. Good cover. Good hustle there. Ngayon, chance once again. Let's see if they can convert a point. Valderrama in the middle for Branadillos. At nagkabungguan doon. And thankfully, walang nangyaring masama dito. Doon sa last sequence na nagkabungguan.
Again, the momentum is on the side of the BU Wolves at this point of time. Ateneo needs to score here. Nunez nandoon. Valderrama setting up for Rias. Ball is still alive. It doesn't cross the net, so the point will automatically go on the side of the Lady Wolves.
Ngayon, lalabas si Zoilo at ipapasok si Vigueras.
Double substitution para sa side ng Wolves. Ramirez and Vigueras. Ipapasok dito sa Wolves.
And now Vigueras on the service deck. Taking her time. Now, a chance. Pinuha yung bola. It's actually, papunta na sana yun sa out, but the libero anticipated it. Napasok pa yung bola. Actually a good play naman. But still point for the Ateneo. Now on the service line, it's jersey number 9.
So a rotation error was called on the Ateneo. Another lucky point was given on the side of the Wolves. Again, kung ikaw ang naghahabol dito ng score, you cannot afford to have an error. Short serve was good.
Gagawa ng paraan. Masyadong dikit sa net. Good dig there. Now, a chance. Valderrama to the running attack. Good dig sana. Pero hindi nabol dito ng Ateneo yung bolang yon. Kaya puntos for the Bicol University Wolves.
What a great running attack coming from Ramirez. Now, all goes well para dito sa ating BU Wolves. Rica Franca serving the ball. Nunez is there. Corrias. An attack error for her.
A straight to the net. Hit by Corrias. Now serving jersey number 9 for the Ateneo. An outside serve. Binalik lamang po, libre puntos for the BU Wolves. Now on the service deck, it's Ramirez. Another service error. Palitan lamang ng service error dito ang dalawang kupunan. Palitan din ng libreng puntos. The team captain serving. Valderrama to the opposite. Corrias with that hit. Now a chance. Tongko in the middle. Good dig there. Chance once again. A 1-2 play. And with the donut hole of the Ateneo, puntos for the BU Wolves.
Ayan, Valderrama. The scoring setter para dito sa larong ito. Talagang we can see her athleticism inside the court. Now, Corrias on the deck to serve para sa BU Wolves. And another service ace. And another point coming from the Ateneo on the BU Wolves side rather.
She's still serving Corrias.
Another great serve. Now a chance for the Wolves here to score. Combination play, Bigueras. Pero ball is still alive. Jaws at the net. Buhay pa dito ang bola. Nunez will give a free ball. Fortaleza setting up D in the middle. Another long rally. Enrica Franca ending that rally coming from that pipe attack.
Even though nasa likod si Rica Franca, she can still give a point at tumawag po ng timeout dito yung side ng Ateneo. Of course, Rick, the Ateneo, kailangan nilang humabol dito if they really want to extend this game or tatapusin na ba ng Bicol University. They need to be consistent in terms of their reception. They need to strengthen their attacks. At syempre, hindi dapat maging complacent dito yung BU Wolves kasi nga, hindi pa tapos ang laban at bilog ang bola.
5 points away on getting this game para sa Wolves. And on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, kailangan nila ditong bawasan ng kanilang error and make a point para mahabol ito kahit papanang score ng ating BU Wolves. Now, Corrias again, consistently serving on the side of the BU Wolves.
An outside hit. Libreng puntos for the Bicol University. Ngayon, Corrias on the service line. Apat na lamang po ang kailangan dito ng BU to close the match. Now, a free ball. Let's see if they can convert a point. Combination play. Good dig there.
Valderrama, ibibigay ulit kay Bigueras pa, babawiin. Pero too much angle on that last attack. It goes outside, so the point will automatically go on the side of the Golden Knights.
Now serving. Now a chance for the Ateneo. D with that receive. Fortaleza to D. Now Valderrama in the middle. Papabawiin. A lifting violent. Oh, it's a good ball. Hindi tinawagan doon ng referee ng violation yung BU dahil it's a good ball. Puntos for the Bicol University.
Yes, it's hard to see kung lifting ba yun on our side here. But the point will awarded on the side of the Wolves. Now D on the attack. And D delivers.
And she broke that wall mag-isa. At nagawa ng paraan ni D. And now she's serving.
Valderrama sa ating Preka Franca. Ball is still alive. Correas received the ball. 1-2 play again. Hindi dito nakukuha ang 1-2 play ni Valderrama.
2 puntos na lamang po ang kakailanganin dito ng BU to close this matchup. And now on the service line, it's jersey number 9. A good serve. Di nagawa ng paraan. Match point for the Biggie Wolves. Now, a good dig. Good anticipation there. Ngayon gagawa ng paraan. Napakalaking espasyo sa side ng BU. Kaya puntos for the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now serving jersey number 12. Point for Ateneo. An overreaching violation called by the referee for Valderrama. Hindi pa po tapos ang laban. On the service deck, jersey number 12. Good receive by Tongko. In the middle by Ramirez. And that ends the matchup for today. It's 25-11 na ipanalo po dito ng Bicol University Wolves. At alamin po natin ang player of the game after this. Babalik po kami dito lang sa GNTV-Naga at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Introducing Converge Flexi Biz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge Flexi Biz. Contact us to know more. Introducing Converge Flexi Biz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge Flexi Biz. Contact us to know more.
Player of the game is brought to you by Ateneo de Naga University. One big fight. The BU Wolves effectively devoured the Lady Knights and kept their record clean so far this Bucal Season 5. And one player embodied and showcased the Wolves spirit, no other than jersey number 3, Sunny Zoilo, with 11 points and 11 attacks. Congratulations and good afternoon. Last week you were able to get 2 straight wins and today another victory for the Wolves. What was your motivation to get 3 straight wins so far this season?
Siguro yung challenges namin is ang motivation namin is yung challenges namin individually and then yung challenge namin na kinakaharap right now as a team.
So what can we expect from you naman on your succeeding games?
You can expect that we will be more comfortable inside the court and mas familiarized na kami and mas komportable sa isa't isa. Yun po.
Of course, best player of the game. Sino naman ang gusto mong batiin at pasalamatan?
First of all, binabati ko po yung family ko, friends, family ng teammates ko. And I would also like to thank all the sponsors, Own Style, Kuya Ben, and many more sponsors po. Without you, wala po kami ngayon. Yun po.
Thank you and congratulations once again. Now, this has been Eliza Faith Patessa Respeto, courtside reporter of the Bicol University Wolves, only here on Bucal Season 5, 1 Media TV-48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And that's our match for today's afternoon. So nakilala nga natin ang ating best player of the game na si Zoilo. Talagang we see her elevation kanina talaga namang nagpanalo sa ating BU Bulls. So aabangan natin ang mga laro bukas dito sa ating ligang ito. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Kelly Francisco at patuloy lang po tayong tumutok dito sa 1 Media TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.